Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this like aesthetic phone frame overlay on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this like phone frame. Just search phone frames on Google and you'll be able to find a few. And then I'm also going to add a picture underneath that. And I do have to adjust it a little bit here, so I'm just going to make it actually bigger than the phone itself. Actually, I'm going to use a video for this one instead. Where is it? Hold on. I'm going to use this one instead, and I'm just going to adjust it so it fits the whole thing. But there are a few of the the video still sticking out, so go to mask and choose rectangle and adjust the size of it here. If there's like some edges that stick out, just select round corners here and it's going to create this like round shape for you, like so. And I'm just going to adjust it till the end of the video. I'm just going to adjust it till here and end the video here. And then on your video, you're going to want to go to basic, scroll down to canvas and select style. And here you can choose the backgrounds for like the video. For instance, like this or that. It is totally up to you which one you want for your video. Of course, there's just a lot to choose from here. As you can see. But yeah, that is basically it. You can add in stickers if you'd like, but I'm just going to leave it like this. You can move it too. For instance, you want to put it here, but just move this to the left too. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the, I think I said that, I meant, if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!